Hey everybody, Christian here, and it's time for me to say goodbye. Yep, you heard that right. It's time for me to say goodbye to Y2AM. It's time for me to say goodbye to the Greek Archdiocese. Time for me to say goodbye to this chapter of my life. It has been 7 years since I joined the Y2AM team, and in that time we offered effective Christian ministry, and we are Orthodoxy. We BeeTreated, we dove into the trench and wandered in the desert, we lived the word, we discussed pop culture at coffee hour, and we even occasionally got to be the bee. In those 7 years, we've done a lot, and those 7 years have been a lot of things, and so moving on is also a lot. Part of me feels really sad to be moving on because it's tough to say goodbye to this place, to the cool stuff that Y2AM has done. Part of me feels full, grateful to have even had the opportunity to spend these 7 years working for the GOA. 7 years building content and vision with the Y2AM team. 7 years of getting to work in such a Christ-centered and kingdom-oriented way. So, while part of me is sad to leave and another part of me is grateful even to have had the opportunity, another part of me is insanely excited for what comes next. You may remember that back in October, Steve announced that the Assembly of Bishops unanimously approved the creation of a brand spanking new Pan-Orthodox Youth and Young Adult Ministries agency. I'm happy to announce it's time for this agency, Orthodox Youth Ministries, to get underway. And I'm also unbelievably stoked to announce that I have the opportunity to help with that as their first director of ministry. Today is actually my first day on the job, so while I'm sad to be saying goodbye, I'm really happy to be saying hello. And at this time, there isn't really much else to say because we're still doing a lot of behind-the-scenes planning about what comes next. And we are so excited for when we finally get the chance to bring you all into that. You know, I see OYM as the successor to what Y2AM has built over the last near decade, something that has manifested itself most fully in our work developing the Effective Christian Ministry online course and cohort. Effective Christian Ministry synthesized a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of the conversations that we had at Y2AM. ECM is our contribution to a conversation that centers around a question that you've probably asked. Why are so many young people leaving the church? Over 1,000 people have joined ECM over the last couple of years. That's over 1,000 people across the Orthodox Church who have joined the vision that we've helped shape at Y2AM. And that's so cool. And not only that, but we also established the Effective Christian Ministry Cohort, a learning community that pairs parishes and trained coaches to help those parishes apply the practices and principles of effective Christian ministry so that they can take actual root in the lived experiences of real communities. And OYM is going to continue this important work to build on the vision as it seeks to support Christ-centered and kingdom-oriented ministry across the entire Orthodox Church. Because OYM exists for this reason: to equip young people to encounter Christ, to embody his church, and to engage the world in his name. In fact, that is the whole purpose of this Pan-Orthodox initiative, these 3 E's: to help young people encounter Christ, embody his church, and to engage the world in his name. And my promise is that this vision, these 3 E's, will guide everything that OYM does in order to build on the foundation that Y2AM has laid over the better part of the last decade. I can't believe that I had the chance to serve the church as a part of Y2AM, and I am insanely pumped for this next chapter of my time in service to Christ. It's bittersweet to be sure, working at Y2AM alongside my buddy Steve. It's been one of the greatest joys of my life, and I'm so thankful that I had the chance to do it. But still, it leaves a big question of what's next for Y2AM and for this channel, particularly if OYM is going to become the standard bearer that carries on this important work and continues building on everything that Y2AM started. I know Steve has plans for a few more Be the Bee videos before he says goodbye to Y2AM himself at the end of the summer, so make sure you keep an eye open for those. But what happens next? Where does all of this work that we've done go? Well, whatever it may be, my hope is that everything on this channel and all of Y2AM's work can remain an accessible foundation upon which OYM can continue to build and point to in the years ahead. We certainly have big dreams for what the transformative work of uniting youth and young adult ministry efforts across Orthodoxy in America can do. And we have some big hopes and some big plans for what comes next, all of which, in my estimation, would not have been possible without the work of Y2AM over the last 9 years. So here's my question to you. What are your dreams for this revolutionary moment in Pan-Orthodox youth and young adult ministries? How do you hope that OYM will carry on the work of Y2AM, and where do you find that you need support the most? So please, in the comments, go ahead and share what your hopes are, both for OYM and for the future of Y2AM's work. I am really excited. I think this is going to be transformative. It's going to be great. And guys, it's going to be fun. Even though Y2AM is coming to a close in the months ahead, I know that the Lord will continue to guide our steps as we all seek to equip young people to encounter Christ, to embody His church, and to engage the world in His name. Thank you all for your years of support, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side of Y2AM as we at Orthodox Youth Ministries continue to walk with you as we all seek to find God in everything, everywhere, every day.